Hi, welcome to TechTime with Kayla. Today we're down at our Global Series production line where Terrence, our manufacturing engineer, is going to take us through the build and test of a Global Series sounder.
Here in Global, all our process starts with our RTV machine. Right now, I'm holding one of our audible caps. Inside our audible cap, we have a flange. We're going to add a bead of RTV to the interior of our audible cap. After we add all our units to our product, we move it over to our press. We press our unit down. As you can see, the retaining ring locks it in place. Now we add it to our work in progress rack. After our 24-hour cure time, our next process is to pressure test one of our units. So as you can see, I have one of our units set up already. So let's begin the pressure test. So what we're doing now, we're pressurizing this unit to 260 psi. I'm going to grab a unit and show you exactly what we're talking about. So there's an interior flame path. We're making sure that there's no leakage and there's no cracks within this unit. As you can see, our unit passed, so I'm going to remove it from our pressure tester. Remove our gasket. I'm going to add a yellow dot on the inside. This lets production know it's been pressure tested and it passed our test. Now we're ready for testing. I'm going to add my audible cap to my chamber. Now I'm going to install my driver. I already have my circuit board in place, so I'm going to attach my component to my circuit board. Now I'm ready to test. I'm testing the driver first. Now I'm testing the driver and the circuit board. As you can see, my unit passed, so now I'm going to remove my driver and my circuit board. I have a couple of components that we will use to assemble this unit together. Our final product looks like this. Now we're ready for our final build. Here's my base. I'm going to add my set screw, my plug, my unit, now I'm going to install my audible cap. This completes our build for our Global Series sounder. Now we're ready to put it on our quality inspection rack.
For additional information on any of our Global Series products, visit our website at signaling.fedsig.com.